Hello and welcome to TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Vepachedu and right behind me is the Shaheen Bagh metro station, absolutely decked up, looking oh so pretty. And yes, the reason is there's a very special occasion. And right here is my co-host and host, Deepak S. Kumar, who will tell you more about what we are going to experience in just a couple of minutes.
Well, others, the reason why this station is decked up in Shaheen Bagh is because today Prime Minister Modi inaugurated, or rather flagged off, his pet project, which is India's first ever driverless metro
Can you believe it?
train.
First driverless metro train in the country.
Well, we thought, this could be only a toy ride in, fantasy parks. But guess what? It's come all the way to reality, and we are gonna board one such train and tell you about how the experience is to travel in India's first ever driverless metro train.
And
So
this
let's-
is certainly a tour, a trip that you would not like to miss. So stay tuned for all those experiences. Here we go. Well, as you can see right behind me, the entire Shaheen Bagh metro station is absolutely decked up. You can see the driverless train right here. It's got the color coding magenta line, and yes, obviously flowers, because it is indeed a big occasion. For the first time in the country, you have a situation, you have an event where you have a train that has been inaugurated, and it will be running completely driverless. So yes, there's a lot of buzz, a lot of people around here. They're all waiting to get a chance to really travel on one of these driverless trains. So we shall hop right in, and we shall give you a quick tour of what's inside. And yes, we shall also take you on that small ride that we promised. So let's take a quick look as to what is inside the train. As you can see, we are currently inside the country's first driverless metro train. And yes, those of you who may have traveled in the Delhi metro before, you would realize that it is not very different. It looks exactly like any other metro train. But yes, how will you know that this is a driverless metro train? One thing that will ensure that you know about it is that there will be an announcement that will be made that the train that is coming in will be driverless. So that's the only way you will know that it is in fact a driverless train. Otherwise, there's nothing that really differentiates the driverless train from the other metro trains. It's pretty much like what the other metro trains really look like. But yes, we are about to depart from the Shaheen Bagh metro station, and we're all set for the first journey. And yes, it is indeed quite an experience just being inside one of these trains, and it's a landmark achievement when it comes to the field of technology, given the kind of progress that we've made. So there you have it. The first driverless metro train has departed from Shaheen Bagh metro station. This is indeed quite a moment, and as you can see right here is my colleague Deepak also. Deepak, it doesn't really feel that different, does it? We've travelled in quite a few metro trains, and at least so far it looks like it's run by a driver. So there's not too much of a difference. What do you have to say?
Others, like you clearly mentioned, this particular train is no different from the normal metro train. But the only technological upgrade that this particular train has got is the fact that there won't be a driver. This is a fully automatic train. And speaking about the features, others, this train can accommodate close to 380 passengers in one single coach. So, if there are 6 coaches, it will amount to close to 2,280 passengers in
Not during the
total.
COVID time.
But during the COVID times, there are seats which are specially marked for social distancing purposes, and people will be asked to follow these norms, because during COVID times you can't have a train with full capacity running along the 20-kilometer line which it is designated to run on. And also, others, previously when the trials were being conducted, before it was commissioned on the magenta line, it was being said that this particular automatic train will run on the pink line, but back then it was not commissioned yet. So now this particular train has been commissioned for the magenta line. Now, speaking about how fast the train can go, like we see behind, it's actually not quite fast. The operational speed of this particular train, others, is just 85 kilometers per hour, but the maximum speed that this automatic train can attain in the coming days could possibly go up to 95 kilometers per hour. But speaking about the internal facilities that this train is offering us, there's not much of a difference when compared to a normal train. What do you think?
Well, I think one of the doubts that a lot of people would definitely have is if there is no driver, how is the train really running? Well, to answer that very question, there are at least 3 command centers located across the city, and in fact 2 of them are at the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation main office, and that is where you have that's almost like an ATC, how you have air traffic controllers for airports and aircraft. You have a similar kind of a setup here, which from these very command centers, the entire route, the speed, the change of line, everything is really controlled. So there is ultimately someone out there at the command center who is ensuring that the train runs the right way, switches tracks the right way, stops at the right spot, and the doors open at the right spot. So everything is being controlled, partially automated, and yes, you also have a bunch of people who will be sitting at the command center and who will be ensuring that things really work the right way. So as you can see right behind us,
We are currently at the Okla Metro Station.
Okla Metro Station
And this
is
is the
where
first
we reached.
station after Shaheen Bagh where this fully automatic train has just stopped and opened the doors for commuters.
so quite an experience. So we've taken off from Shaheen Bagh and we have reached
It's Okla right
So
now.
we have seen one takeoff and one landing, so to speak,
Yeah.
and so far so smooth. It doesn't really feel like there is no driver out there. The stopping was pretty smooth, and even the takeoff from the Shaheen Bagh metro station was pretty smooth, so to speak. So there is absolutely nothing for the commuters to really worry about. Just because there is no driver does not mean that there is nobody who is controlling this train. These trains are very well automated and very well controlled, and this really is the way forward. Smart is the way forward, and this particular train is just the beginning, isn't it? So we are right now in the so-called driver's compartment, but of course there is no driver right here. As you can see, this is the first time I've come here, and it really feels like something. As you can see, we are underground at this point in time, one of the stations, and we have at least gone past 3 to 4 stations and absolutely smooth. There's a bit of equipment right here, and this is where you would actually have the driver really occupying this spot, but as you can see, there is no driver. There is no need of the mic also, because all the announcements are in a sense preloaded and it all happens automatically. So no driver, and and that really is the future right there. No driver, driverless metros are a thing of the present, and they will soon be the future as well. These are the doors to the driver's compartment. Very interesting notice that we found: for your own safety, please do not disturb the train operator. But what's new is there is no train operator, so that's really the future, and soon enough that notice in all likelihood would be removed. Well, we've reached Janakpuri West, and this officially is the first ride on the driverless metro train. We started from Shaheen Bagh, and around 20 stops later we've reached the final destination of this particular train, which is the Janakpuri West station, and now is when the doors have officially opened for Delhiites. This almost can be termed as a New Year gift for those who stay here, for all Delhiites. And yes, right now there's not too many people who are boarding this train, but there will be eventually. We've reached Janakpuri West, and the train has reversed, so to speak. Around 30 kilometers is what we've traveled so far, and it really was absolutely smooth. Unless and until you actually think about the fact that it is a driverless train, if you're just normally traveling, you wouldn't even realize that this is a driverless train.
Well, the first ever fully automated metro train in Delhi has thrown its doors open for the Delhiites, and with me is a passenger, and let's find out how his experience is when it comes to riding the first ever driverless metro train in Delhi. So what do you feel about this ride that you're taking?
Well, I'm very happy,
Okay.
and it was just a coincidence, but after getting to know that it's a first driverless metro in our country, I'm very happy and hope that efficiency will increase. The train is also going faster, so I hope that more and more metros will be coming this way, and our Delhi metro will work efficiently.
Well, the first driverless metro train has well and truly departed from Janakpuri West, and we are on our way to Shaheen Bagh metro station and beyond. It goes up to Botanical Garden, and as we were just mentioning, the train has opened its doors for Delhiites, and of course you have a bunch of Delhiites who have entered the train and who are in the first driverless metro train of the country. Let's go ahead and find out as to how a passenger feels about this experience. Well, it's been a while, I guess 3 minutes that you entered the train. Does it feel like any different, or does it feel like any other normal metro train?
It's just like driverless train. Because that is it's a driverless train. First of all, we get upgrade
Well, it's a long way towards the end of this train's journey, but while we are on it, let's go around and find out what the passengers think. And this time we have come out with a unique way of asking the question. So we're going to ask the passengers how they feel about their experience in this train, and we're going to ask them to describe it in one word. So let's find out what the Delhiites feel about this particular train in one word.
एक्चुअली मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि ऑटो मतलब विदाउट ड्राइवर है.
Okay.
जैसे मैंने एंट्री करी तो मुझे पता चला कि ये विदाउट ड्राइवर है. देन आई शॉक दैट अरे विदाउट ड्राइवर है ये. ओके बट इट्स फाइन. इट्स फियरलेस.
Fearless? No fear at all?
नो नो.
अच्छा अच्छा नाइस एंड काइंड.
अच्छा लगा.
अच्छा
अच्छा हो रहा है, नया चीज देखने को मिल रहा है, अच्छा ही लग रहा है.
एक्साइटमेंट है.
एक्साइटिंग.
Well, others, I think it's time to deboard. This is our experience in India's first driverless train that we boarded. Others, what do you think about the ride that we went
Well,
on?
all in all, Deepak, we've traveled 20 stops forward, 20 stops backward, 30 kilometers forward, 30 kilometers backward. So, all in all, 60 kilometers of absolutely seamless journey is what it really felt like. Complete comfort. There was not a single moment which really felt like, oh my god, there's no driver in there. So, it was absolutely comfy and absolutely seamless. There was no trouble whatsoever. So, a lot of the passengers that we spoke to also did not even realize.
They weren't even aware that this
is a
particular
driverless
train
train.
was a driverless train, but nevertheless the same benefits which they enjoyed in the normal passenger metro trains, or which are driven by drivers, they didn't find anything different in this train and in that train as well. So all in all, it was a very good experience when we went around asking people about how they felt in the first driverless metro train, and they weren't even aware. So that's
Correct.
the best part.
The surprise element, and obviously if they weren't aware, that itself is a good start, isn't it?
That's
so that really is the precedent that Delhi Metro has set at this point in time, and they will emulate this across all the metro lines. So there you have the first driverless metro departing from the Shaheen Bagh station, and it has been really good traveling on this particular train, a privilege so to speak. And that's all we have for you. This is your host Adarsh Vepachidu signing off.
And this is me, Deepak, signing off. Please do not forget to drop in your comments about how you feel about India's first driverless metro train. And also do not forget to like, share and
Subscribe to TV9 Digital on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Many thanks.
for joining us.